Hello, guys, and welcome back to our series. Your desktop site is all set up, both beautiful and functional. But things don't stop there. Most likely, a lot of your site visitors will be on the go while browsing your site on their phones. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about mobile optimization to make sure your site looks good and functions well on mobile devices too. Let's get started. Click on the phone icon at the top. This allows you to switch to your site's mobile view. The first time you switch to mobile, you'll notice things are, well, very messy. So let's fix that. Simply arrange all elements neatly across your homepage. Don't worry about rearranging your elements. It will not affect how your desktop site looks. Sometimes you'll notice that there are elements that you don't really need on mobile, so instead of keeping them there, which will make your website look really cluttered, you can choose to hide them instead. Click on it and click on the Hide Element button, and it will hide that on your mobile website. Ensure that your elements are not crammed. There should be enough room. Once you're done initially rearranging all of your elements, it's time to focus on our texts. We need to make sure that our text size remain consistent. So say for example, if our text section is size 26, so should our other text sections or section titles be. The same goes for our paragraphs. If one paragraph is size 16, the others should be as well. The same goes for your buttons. They should be big enough to be tapped on, but also not too big enough to take up too much space. Once you're done, go back to the top and check everything from top to bottom. Once everything's all good, it's time to move on to the next page. So go to Menus and Pages on the left, go to the next page, and optimize your elements here, just like what we did on the first page we worked on. Once you're done with that, move on to the next page and so on and so forth until you finish optimizing all of your pages on your site. Once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. And there we have it. Just a few more steps and our site will be ready to publish. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.